This video is about running DataMapper conditionally in OmniStudio. So I have a requirement where I have two data mappers. I want to execute first one based on the data JSON condition, car type order is equal to order. Another one I have where car type is a quote. Also in the purview, I've already set up the variable just to see the execution of it. But how to implement that in integration procedure, this is the IP that I'm using. Go to that data mapper and find execution conditional formula. In there you can set up your conditions based on this condition. So this data mapper will execute, and let's scroll to this another data mapper. Based on when it is type of code, we want to order the run this data mapper. So now let's execute this. On the right side in the execution sequence, you will see get order line items got called because the car type was order, and this was my first data mapper that was called because the condition was satisfied. Now if I go back, make this as quote, executed, and if I see the sequence, you will see this time quote line items count is called. That is my next data mapper because the condition was satisfied here. And in case none of the conditions is being satisfied, let's say you make it quote 1, so now the match won't happen. So if I go to the data sequence, execution sequence of the data mapper, it's only output being called. So in this video we learned how to execute data mapper conditionally. We'll love you to subscribe and like to our channel and post comments what are the next videos you want to learn about OmniStudio, about any feature of Salesforce. Thank you for watching.